In this essential Google Calendar tutorial, we are going to cover the most important social features, how to share your entire calendar versus how to invite people to an event. These are two very different things, and we'll show you exactly how to do both. You're probably here because you want to get someone on the same page as you. You're using Google Calendar and you want to invite them. But what does that mean? Do you want to send them an invitation for one specific meeting? Or do you want to give your partner or your assistant the ability to see your entire schedule every day? These are two completely different actions, and they are used for different reasons. I'm going to show you how to do both. First, we'll cover how to add guests to a single event, which is what you'll do 99% of the time. Second, I'll show you how to share your entire Google Calendar with someone you trust. It's crucial to know that both of these actions are much easier to do on a computer, as the settings are clearer. So I highly recommend you log into Google Calendar in your web browser to do this. This is the most common task. You're setting up a meeting, a party, or a call, and you want to send an official invitation. All right, let's schedule this meeting. The first step is to open your Google Calendar on your computer. You can also open the Google Calendar on your phone. I will use my computer, so I will just open a browser and put on the address barcalendar.google.com. You're going to create your event just like you always do. I'll find a time slot and I'll click on it. A small box will pop up. I'll give my event a title, like My Special Event. Now, before you click Save, look in that pop-up box. You will see a field, usually with a little person icon, that says Add Guests. This is the most important field for this task. Go ahead and click right in that box. You can now start typing the email address of the person you want to invite. If they are in your contacts or your company, Google Calendar will suggest their name, and you can just click on it. You can keep adding as many people as you want to this list. I'll add a couple of my colleagues here. Once you've added your guests, you can also add other details, like a location or a video call link. Google Calendar makes it easy by automatically creating a meeting link for everyone with Google Meet. Now, this next part is absolutely critical. After you've added your guests and all your details, you will click the blue Save button. The moment you click Save, Google Calendar will show you another small pop-up. It will ask, would you like to send invitation emails to new Google Calendar guests? This is the final step. You must click Send. If you click Don't Send, the event will be created, but your guests will not be notified. They won't know about the meeting and they won't be able to accept it. Clicking Send is what shoots that official invitation email to everyone's inbox, allowing them to click Yes, No, or Maybe. Once you've done that, you're finished. You'll see the event on your calendar, and you'll even see who has accepted or declined right inside the event details. You have successfully sent a Google Calendar invite. Now, let's look at part 2, how to share your entire calendar. This is a much bigger action. This is for sharing your whole schedule with a partner, a family member, or a close coworker. It's critical to remember the difference. Add Guests is for one event. Settings and Sharing is for all events, forever. This is perfect if you want to create a special calendar for a specific purpose, like kids' activities or meal plan, and share it with only certain people. First, go to calendar.google.com on your computer. On the left-hand side, scroll down until you see Other Calendars and click the plus sign from the menu. Choose Create New Calendar. This is where you have control. Give your calendar a specific name, like Family Schedule, and add a description. Click the blue Create Calendar button. Now you can click on the Configure button. If you did not click on the Configure link, then you can go back to your main calendar view and find your new Family Schedule calendar in the list on the left. Hover your mouse over it, click the 3 dots, and select Settings and Sharing. Now scroll down to the section called Share With. Click Add People and Groups, and type in the email addresses of your family members. Here is the most important step in this method. On the right, you'll see a Permissions dropdown. By default, it's set to See Only Free Busy. This is not what you want. You must change this to Make Changes to Events. or make changes and manage sharing. This allows everyone in the family to add their own events, not just see yours. Click Send, and they will get an email invitation to join. For scheduling with clients or people outside your organization, always use the Add Guests method. Never share your whole calendar with them. What if you run into problems? If you shared your whole calendar with someone, but they say they can't see it, it's because they haven't accepted it yet. Tell them to check their email for the invitation from you. Once they click the link in that email, your calendar will appear in their Other Calendars list. If you invited someone to an event but they say they never got the email, the problem is usually a typo. Go back into your event, check the guest list, and make sure you spelled their email address 100% correctly. Also, ask them to check their spam folder. So we have reached the end of our guide. We've learned the two very different ways to invite people in Google Calendar. We learned how to add guests to a single event, which is perfect for scheduling meetings. And we learned how to share your entire Google Calendar with trusted people, which is perfect for family or team coordination. You now have the knowledge to use Google Calendar as a powerful collaboration tool. I truly hope this Google Calendar tutorial helped clear up this common point of confusion. If it did, please give this video a like. It's a simple click that really helps the channel. And if you're interested in more guides on how to be a Google Calendar Pro, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Finally, I have a question for you. Which of these two features were you actually looking for today? Were you trying to schedule a single meeting or share your whole life? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.